Good morning and welcome. So for the next couple of days we are going to be cleaning this bungalow right here. There we go. We're going to be cleaning the roof, and then tomorrow we're also going to be cleaning this block paved drive all the way down there and all the way around the front of the house as well. But today's task to begin with is, let me just show you, is we are going to be cleaning the roof of this bungalow. As you can see, this is the front and it is pretty mossy in areas, so we're going to be cleaning all that off. Let me just show you this other corner as well. There you go, that's what it looks like. So hopefully we're going to be getting that looking absolutely brand new once again. And I'll just take you around the back and I'll show you the back. Harvey's just cleaning some of the gutters out that's already got moss inside of there, so we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. But there's the boy, ready to go. Say hello, Harvey.
Hello.
Hello, Harvey. So we're just cleaning some of the moss out of there. We'll just got to make sure that when we are doing it that them valleys are not getting caked full of moss, because you can end up with some issues with water and damp seeping through into the property. But that's what the roof looks like here. That's what we're dealing with today and tomorrow. Might have to come back Saturday and sand it. So we're super excited about this clean. I hope you are too. Stick around because this transformation is gonna be absolutely amazing. So let's grip it, rip it, and let's make it shine, baby. Woo! Aww. So there we go, look at that. How awesome does that look? What a difference that makes. It looks absolutely amazing. But most of all, oh, look at that sky. Oh, it's been beautiful weather to be working outside today. All we've got to do tomorrow is when we're finished completely, we're going to wash the windows, fascias, gutters, all that sort of thing, conservatory, all that's going to get it clean. So it's going to look like brand new. And I'm absolutely filthy. Look at my turkey hair, it's falling out. Got muck and everything in it. Harvey's just on the other side of there making this side a mess again. So he's just cracking on with that side. We was planning to get the complete roof done today, but I just don't think it's going to happen. It's a big roof. I did predict a day and a half to get this roof completed. I'm just going to walk around here so you're going to hear the sound of the pressure washer going. Hopefully we're going to get all this little corner done here where Harvey is at the minute. So it's like nearly 3 o'clock, coming up to 2:45. So we're going to get this little segment done here, come back tomorrow, blast this out, this corner. We'll get that done tomorrow, and then we get here in the morning and do the drive as well. And then probably Saturday morning I'll come out and sand it. But we're cracking on, we're trying to do as much as we can today. The weather's glorious, it's going to be like this for the rest of the weekend actually, so we're in for a bit of luck with the weather. So that's where we're at so far, so carry on watching and watch the transformation of this amazing bungalow. So it's the next day, we're carrying on. Harvey's just around the front at the minute. All I'm going to do this morning is get a treatment on the back of the roof that we've already cleaned. There's bits of moss where it's just blown off from the other side, but other than that we're ready to rock and roll. Harvey's already started. It's only just turned 9 o'clock. We're hoping to get the roof finished and the driveway finished today. If not, we'll just have to nip back in the morning and finish it. But other than that, really good productive day yesterday. The roof looks absolutely brand new. It looks amazing. You're going to see the finished results at the end, but at the minute we're really pleased. I'll just quickly show you up here. There you go. Look at that. Amazing. Just got to put that end cap back on there. And I've also cleaned the fascias and the gutters and the windows around the back of the property already, so they're all done. Not going to do them later on. Just going to do the front when we finish the front later. So, but I'll just show you what Harvey's up to at the minute, and I'll show you that other corner that we did yesterday as well. There's the boy. There you go. There is some moss still on the edges, as you can see just there. But when we put the treatment on it, that'll kill all of that, and then it'll just weather its way off of there. It won't be on there forever. It'll come off, and then it'll help stop the regrowth of that as well for a good 18 months, couple of years, and we only use the best product from Pure Seal as well. So use the best, you're going to get the best. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go around the back, I'm going to do the back side of the property, we're going to get that treated, and I'm going to show you how I do that. Today we're going to be using this from Pure Seal, the best you can get. Want to be the best, got to use the best. Fully treated the back of the property, all done. All we've got to do now is finish cleaning the front, then we'll get the drive done, and then we'll treat that later. But that's what it looks like. Look at that, and it is only going to get better with that treatment that we've put on from Pure Seal. So I will come back in a few months' time, we'll have a little look at it, and we'll see how good it actually looks in a couple of months' time. I don't know if it can get much better than this, but you never know.
So this is what the roof looks like from the front. I forgot to push record on my time lapse, so I didn't get that bit. But as you can see, it looks amazing like the rest of the property. All I've got to do now is start to clean up some of the mess that's been left from there. There's absolutely loads. Of surprised as to how much muck and dirt come off of the roof. There you go, I'm just pointing that out to you. That's a bag of rubbish as well. Got to throw that away. Harvey has just made a start in a pressure washer in the front of this. We are going to get it all done, hopefully, today. So there he is in the corner, look, again absolutely covered in muck. Can't be helped because you're pinned into a corner.
There you go, the drive is done, cleaned. All we've got to do is come back tomorrow, sand it. Looks absolutely amazing. Look at the difference. That looks absolutely amazing, and it's only going to get better. Sorry if I'm a little bit dirty, but I've been busy today. So that is it for now. Join me tomorrow when we're going to be sanding it. So see you in the morning. Ta-ta, bye-bye. We are back, and it is day 3 of this amazing clean on this property. Look at the roof, that looks amazing. The driveway's all clean, we got that finished yesterday. Just a few little wet patches still, and we're just about to start sanding it. So Harvey's already made a start just over there. Once we've sanded it, got all this done, just need to clean the windows on the front, check the ones around the sides as well, where we might have just splashed a little bit from yesterday, and then we've got some of the fascias to clean and the gutters as well. So a couple of hours and we should have this done. Is that one? Yeah, that one just needs a clean as well. So a couple of hours and we'll get this done. So let's get sanding. And I found my gun from yesterday. That's where I left that. It's been there all night. So we've got the drive sanded. I'll show you everything after. All we're going to do now is clean the windows, fascias and gutters. So let's do that. So I was just cleaning windows and fascias right front, so I'll show you that soon. I'll just quickly show you the back there, the windows that we've cleaned, fascias, gutters cleaned, everything's cleaned. Let me pop you up and show you the roof. There you go, that is the roof. Fully done, finished, and treated as well, so it's only going to improve, it's only going to get better. What we've told the customer is if there's any moss that is on there, you can still see little bits from where we're just blowing it from the other side. That'll wash off into the gutters. What we're going to do in a couple of months' time, we'll come round, we'll clean the gutters out completely for free. It's not going to cost them a penny. We'll just throw that in with this service. Give it a couple of months, everything will be dead, and that roof is going to look absolutely amazing compared to some of the roofs around here that's been done by unsavoury people, let's say. So yeah, it's going to look absolutely amazing. Clean the conservatory roof, clean the conservatory as well, giving it the full works. I'll show you this side of the roof as well. Look at that, looks absolutely 100 times better. I think you will agree. Looks absolutely amazing. Let me just walk you down there showing you that. So this is the driveway that we've cleaned, just finished. Look at the difference in that. In fact, let me just show you there. Look at the difference. Absolutely amazing. Looks like a brand new drive. Sanded, cleaned. That's the roof finished. Look at that, looks absolutely brand new once again. We've treated that as well, so it's only going to get better over time. Doors nice and clean, windows are clean, look at them, look amazing. Fascias, gutters, completely done. This is the path down the side of the house. That's all been cleaned, sanded. Still a little bit wet from when we've cleaned the windows. But yeah, just pop you up and show you this side as well. It's been really hard work, but I think you'll agree that it pays off in the end, and it looks absolutely brilliant. Looks absolutely amazing. We absolutely love it. Customers love it. They're thrilled with it. So that is it for now. Join me next time. I will see you later. Ta-da, see you there. Bye-bye. Whoop. Aww.